So the rain's not going to stop us today. We back at it, magnet fishing. As you can see, there's fishermen over there underneath the bridge. I'm just here with my magnet friend over here, and she's got a new magnet. So she bought the M10 off Magnetar, pretty decent magnet. So let's see what we get today. I've still got the wee Terror there, and yeah, let's see what we get. I'm onto something here, guys. Not this yet. What do you think that is?
Looks like an iron.
Like an old iron. Oh wow.
That is cool.
Oh yeah, that's really cool. Nice one. One. Okay, Hannah's onto something there. What could this be? Oh, that looks cool. Nice one. Like a bracket and a huge nail, guys. Look at that nail.
That's pretty cool.
Wow, that's awesome. Nice one. Okay, looks like Hannah's onto something again.
Heavy.
It's quite heavy, she says. Oh, what is that?
It's clean as well.
Oh, wow. What is that? What does it say on it? If any of you know what this could be, just let us know in the
I
comments.
think it's Bullers Limited.
Bullers.
Bullers. There's some codes on this side.
Let's see the name of it. So if any of you know what this could be, just let us know in the comments. Wow, nice one.
We've got a heavy one. What is it?
Oh, it looks like a...
What is that?
I don't know. I actually don't know now. Quite heavy.
I
At
don't
first I
have a
thought it was
clue.
a ram, but it doesn't. I don't think it is a ram.
No clue.
No clue at all. Anyways, here we go. Let us know in the comments. There's something on here. Clean it off a bit.
What you got?
Yep. I don't know what that looks like. Some computer piece. What do you think?
Hard drive?
Like a hard drive or something. Oh.
Oh.
Sorry
Hi.
about that. That's just a bit of rust, I think. Well, that might be the important part of it. Well, there you have it.
What's this here?
This is just
Junk.
a wee rhubarb.
This is the pile.
That's the metal that we found so far. It's been a good afternoon. Hopefully we get that lucky chest of jewelry one of the days. Just have a little week after here before we head home.
Oh, sorry, I was still in the room.
I nearly caught my partner around the leg there.
I was still in the
Nearly went
room.
flying. That would have been something for the video. Anyways, I'm right here. I always say everything happens for a reason. Maybe I caught something right here. Ooh,
You did?
think about that. I'm onto something here. I'm onto something here, guys. Stay
Look at the
tuned.
bubbles. Look at the bubbles.
There's definitely something here. I'm just trying to get a good grip on it. Yeah.
I'll take my gloves off.
Oh, this is heavy. Look at the bubbles, guys. Is this our safe that we've been wanting to find for weeks now? Could this be the one?
Do we need the other magnet?
I can feel it. Hold on. Looks like it's coming. It's coming, guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give us a follow, because this... Oh, another rim. Another car rim. Oh, there you have it. All of that excitement for car rim.
Just 2 more and that's your car sorted.
It's got a lot of gunk in it, but you have 2 more rims, and that's me. I just need wheels, and then I'm down the motorway. I'll make a wooden frame or something. Well guys, let me just flip the camera. I think, yeah, it's a beautiful view. It's a beautiful evening here tonight in Northern Ireland. We just had a secret location. We shall not give up a location, but if you want to message us in the bio, there's a link. You can follow us and be certain to get something interesting. Maybe you got some, oh, there we go. There's a penny. Richard to £1 million. Free of charge, no tax. Can you believe it? Well, what you got there, Hannah? Okay, there's something coming out there. Oh, looks like a pole. No, it's a fishnet. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Nice one. Let's check. Hold it up. Nice wee fishnet. Fixable indeed. Top catch. Well, that's us guys. I hope you enjoyed the YouTube video. There's also one last thing I want to show you. Pulled in this sign over here. So it's basically a grass cutting sign. So as you can see over there, it's just a wee road sign, grass cutting. My magnet's inside there, but I'm going to call it a day. That's us finished for the day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give us a follow. Cheers. Until next time. Bye.